Hi, you're welcome to Curiosity TV. Today I'll be showing you how you can create your own Facebook group. How you can create your Facebook group using most people ask they don't know how to create Facebook, they don't know how to create Facebook group. So let me quickly show you how to create Facebook group using your mobile phone. First of all, go to www.facebook.com. We are now on facebook.com. You're now on facebook.com. Now click on the option bar up here. You can see the option for groups and page. That's what you need. So click on groups. Now click on create groups. Create groups. Public. Don't, if you put it on private, people won't see anybody, like you won't be able to, people won't be able to locate your group. So but if you put it on private, and I mean if you put it on public, people will be easily be able to locate your groups. You can name your groups. Okay, since you are trying to create an audience, a large audience that will help, that will buy product from you, etc. You can name it a good marketing name, such as market hub. With that name, people would you can market means people, whenever they saw the group and everything, like market hub, they will see something like to buying and selling. Let me quickly join this group. Maybe if I can get one or two ideas, then I say, let me see what they are doing about this market hub. Let me see what they are doing. So now click on create group. Then you can invite people. You can invite people to the groups. People to the groups. But we all know our intention behind creating the group. The intention behind creating the group is to create an engaging market for ourselves, so that we won't stress regarding promoting any product online, So you can add any name you felt you wanted to add again. Let us know. I wanted to add Mr. Fatah Siddiq, Zakaria, Abdul Kudus, Layer Beauty, and many more. Then you can